Hello boys and girls. Welcome to Storytime with Auntie Stacey. I'm Auntie Stacey. I'm so glad you came to read with me. The story I'm going to share with you today is called
Bathtub Safari. Bath time is Jack's favorite part of the day.
I'll be back in a few minutes,
Says his mom. There's a swoosh. And a swish. And then Jack's bathtub safari begins. Look at what's coming. There's a twist. And a turn. Something's growing. It's a... There's a rumble. It's going up, 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 and... There's a splosh. Something bubbles. It's time to... But something's lurking in the background.
I hope you're clean and ready for bed,
Says his mom. Jack's bathtub safari ends.
This is the end of the story. What was your favorite part of the story? If you enjoyed the story, ask a grown-up to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with all of your cousins and friends.